4K, motherfuckers. 4K. This is gonna be the hardest I've ever pushed myself. Everybody keeps telling me, look out for the rain. I know it's fucking coming. It's gonna be a fucking shit show.
That's how you do business. Stay safe.
We'll catch back on. I want to get back to the trailhead. I gotta fucking bust ass. This is day 22, park 6. So far, since I parked my car at Waterville School Road, I have seen 3 people. 2 people waiting for a ride. One guy looked to be northbound, went up some stairs, and my dumbass is heading south. I'm in Smoky Mountain National Park, and this trip is gonna be fucking rough. There's no way around it. I'm looking at 80 miles over 7 days. The whole length of Smoky Mountain National Park in one through trip. And as of day 1, again, late start, I went to the visitor center to get my stamp, and then I drove straight to my parking spot to make this work. I am hiking into a thunderstorm. I looked up the weather this morning. It said there's going to be between 30 to 40 mile per hour winds, and there's also going to be a thunderstorm. I'm going to hit rain. I'm just going to be getting fucked the entire way. The idea is fast ass pace, get to this fucking shelter immediately, which I think is about roughly 10 miles going to Cosby Knob, and just fucking make it through the night and move on from there. The weather the rest of the week, I'm looking at total 3 to 4 days of fucking rain. There's gonna be one day where I'm gonna hit fucking snow. I haven't seen elevation like this since I did Yosemite back in June. Hopefully the few miles that I've done in some of the parks in these past few weeks have built up some stamina. But as of right now, pretty sure I'm going up about 4,000 fucking feet. Got a feeling this fucking trip is absolutely gonna fucking smoke me. I feel like I'm up to par. Probably trying to do more than I actually can. It's kind of the point of this though, is to push myself. I'm through hiking, but I literally just started, so I'm fresh right now.
Oh, where'd you start?
I just parked over there. I'm headed south.
Where'd you park?
Like right off the lip of that little road straight through by the next point going forward. Is that a good spot?
Oh, over there.
Waterville Road.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, this is actually Waterville Road right here.
Oh, right here? Okay.
So you're right there by the highway?
Right there on the other side of the dirt path, there's like a little pull-off spot.
Tonight or in
No, I'm going a week that way, catching a ride back this way.
That
Very nice.
car may not be there. They may tow it.
Really?
Yeah.
Where, is there parking down this way? Because I got a permit and I have my license set up.
Yeah.
It's tied to the permit.
If you go on up over there on that dirt road that goes on up the hill,
Yeah.
there's a place called Standing Bear Farm,
Yeah.
and you can park it there, and I think they charge you like $20 or something like that.
20
But
bucks.
it will be looked after.
Okay.
For the info.
You really think they'll tow that?
If you're right there by the highway, they're gonna, the highway patrolman.
Oh no, it's not. It's not the actual highway. It's like a dirt road like this that cuts up.
That's that road. Yeah. If it's only there for like maybe a day and a half, 2 days, it might be okay.
Okay. Man. Okay.
But you might have some meth heads break into it.
Oh no shit.
Because people have gotten their
Shit stolen.
People have parked down here before.
Yeah.
And have had windshields busted out.
Damn. Okay.
Things like that.
So.
But if you just go on up the road, just that same dirt road that goes up that mountain right over there and goes around over there.
Yeah.
There's Standing Bear Farm.
Standing Bear
Go
Farm.
in there and ask for a lady named Maria. She's the owner.
Okay.
Tell her that the discerning hiker sent you.
Okay.
And that you need to park the car for 2 days.
Okay.
And I think she'll charge you like about $20 or so.
Awesome.
And it'll be a lot safer, trust me.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna do that.
That'll be, you'll feel better.
knowing that's there.
And you're only adding like,
Yeah.
you're only adding about a mile hike from there on that part of the AT. And there's some nice little spots.
Awesome. Well, in that case, I'll be back, sir. Thank you. With that news, I'm officially going back to drive up and hike back an extra mile on my hike to make sure my car is fucking safe. This day is already fucked. This kind gentleman, the discerning hikers, definitely just gave me some solid information though, from what it sounds like meth heads breaking into cars and shit. So, and avoiding towing. Well, this just means I'm gonna be getting absolutely demolished up this mountain into this fucking storm today. I've already probably seen like 5 people that fucking love thru hikers. Literally just a guy, and I'm assuming his wife. They just, I'm already out of breath and I'm just going back to my goddamn car. They just pulled over. He's like, hey, you thru hiking? So yeah, I'm starting today. Good luck, man. Drove away. They fucking love this shit. Making a longer fucking day than I need. Starting later, which is ensuring that this storm, I'm gonna get caught in the fucking middle of it. I fucking know it. It's just the way it goes for me. It's okay though. Positive vibes. Strong will. Strong body. Get through this. 83. Standing Bear Farm. Washed my car for a week. $30. I'll take it. Probably gonna tip her too, just because, you know, why not?
Hey, buddy. Oh. Oh. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Good, how are you?
There you go, dear. Don't spend it all in one place.
Here, appreciate it.
Okay.
It's a black Honda CRV, not that it matters.
What's your name?
Bryant, B-R-Y-A-N-T. Now, let's get back to the fuckery of today. Here's where my extra mile begins. So I've already interacted with quite a few helpful, handy, helping people, and it makes me curious if in this 1 week, how many people, one, I'm gonna come across, and two, I know people get their fucking trail names, like the AT is notorious for getting a fucking trail name. I wonder if I'll get a fucking trail name. Not sure how that works, but maybe we'll see. I'm officially on the start of the trail that I should be. You get nice waterfalls, like I'm not even a quarter mile into the actual hike that I should be into from my car. I've done a mile and a quarter and I'm cramping on the right side. Food on the day. Had one protein shake from a gas station, one French toast bagel thing, and one gas station coffee. A little bit of water. I don't know why I do this to myself. I'm already sweating balls. Seen a lot of people, not a lot of people, I don't know, 10, give or take 10 people heading northbound. Haven't seen anybody with me going south. I have trekking poles. I don't use them. A lot of people probably fight me on this. It's supposed to be good for body position. Keep your back up straight, you're not hunched over. Me, I just fucking, I rough it. I destroy myself. I don't care. There may be some points where I'm like, you know, I could probably use those things and they'd help me. That's just not me. Sometimes I'll just have my backpack. It's got a hip strap chest strap. Sometimes I'll just fly. Fuck, pack on shoulders and rock it. We got dark skies up ahead. I'm finally getting some elevation, but I don't think I'm half the elevation I'm gonna get to. Hey, look at this. It's dark, it's getting windy. Good gust right here. Gotta keep pushing. After starting this hike, I was super worried about where I was gonna find water sources. Turns out there's a reason nobody talks about water sources in this area, because they're very abundant. You can find water anywhere. It is fucking coming. It is coming. I'm 2 miles in from my car, which means I still have at least 9 miles to go. That's one thing you actually experience on the trail when you see it. If you've seen people who talk about the AT, or you've seen footage or anybody capturing any kind of media actually doing it, everybody on the trail seems to be so friendly. And I find that to be true maybe 2.5 miles into my shit. At this point, I'm probably seen between 10, 15-ish people, and all of them just friendly, step aside, enjoy your hike. Just passed a couple who is doing the exact same hike I'm doing, but they're finishing it right now from the opposite, the south side of Smoky Mountain National Park. I'm fucking drenched in fucking sweat after this climb. I've done 3.3 miles from my car in roughly an hour and 15 minutes. This is the break off for what would be Davenport Gap, which leaves me with like 5, maybe like 6 miles left. I've gone up 1,400 feet. I'm so fucking drenched in sweat. And after making fun of people with trekking poles, I found these 2 sticks. I've been using these 2 sticks to boost my morale and speed. I won't take back what I said about trekking poles, but I am using these sticks, so take that as you will. I'm on my way to Cosby. Obviously, there's weather out here somewhere that does not fucking like me. Hearing rumbling, about 1:30. I just scarfed some food. I've done about 5.5 miles. I gotta move. Super fucking tired. The rain is just starting. You can see it as a mist up over the mountains that I'm still going. Last guy I saw, Cosby shelters ahead. It's all uphill. Still a good few miles. Just gotta keep pushing. Probably gonna play this tree by tree. I scarfed down some dry fruit, drank some more water, got a little tiny bit of granola in me. As long as I keep moving, the situation will get better. Just gotta get to this fucking shelter. The worst thing is, inside this fucking rain jacket, I am still sweating nuts. So it doesn't really matter, I'm wet outside, wet inside. I just gotta keep going. Well, I am somewhere between miles 6 and 7 from my car. My legs are already fucking sore. My foot almost cramped. I gotta keep pushing. There's a light rain. It pushed on. I should be able to get to the Cosby Knob, Cosby shelter before the real shit hits later. I've moved to the pace of a snail. Since I started, I've gone up 3,100 feet. I'm now sitting at 4,000 feet of elevation. A little bit of sprinkles here and there, but I gotta keep pushing. So at the highest I've been, this is the best little, that's the best little lookout I've had so far. Find myself inside my head now talking to myself. Just to keep pressing myself forward. Strength, peace of mind, mentality to overcome adversity. It's okay, just keep moving, we will get through it. Where are we at here? This is a nice area. I'm gonna be so burnt out. That fucking whatever's over there is massive. I'm at about 4,700 feet. The wind is definitely up here. Probably like the 30 to 40 mile per hour winds that they said. It's Sounds like fucking 50, I'll tell you that much. But good thing I got some coverage. I think I'm about 2 miles from Knob, or fuck is that, my fucking place. Rain's up here, wind's up here. I'm trying to hustle. I'm gonna have to dry out and get warm because I've been sweating on the inside and it's been raining on the outside. I ran into a chick who's brave enough to fucking weather the horse shit of hiking through this windstorm with light rain until it turns into thunderstorms later. I'm pretty close to Cosby, maybe like a mile or so. That poor girl has probably got a good 3-ish miles at least to Davenport. I wish her the best. Man, my legs, everything is sore, everything hurts. I think it's because I barely ate, and obviously I'm not, as much hiking as I have done, I'm not acclimated to this much calorie burning and ups. So. I cannot wait to get to this fucking shelter. I hope my body acclimates fast, but I also hope that now that I'm up on the ridge, I don't have to climb as much. I couldn't get any more fucking wet. I am now.
No more.